Look at the present Santa Claus came. You must have been a good boy this year.
A fire there.
Cares more about the fire. Jaden, look at the presents.
Wow.
Look, Santa.
What is it?
Fireplace.
Fire trucks?
Fire.
Wow. Give that to Dad from Grandma and Grandpa Meisner.
Right in fire.
Yeah, you help.
Okay, you help me open it. Cool! To make pies on.
That's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Wow.
Keep going.
Do you know what it is?
Look at the picture. What is that?
Oh, Micah.
Harmonica.
Monica.
Do you want to play it? It's a bigger one than your other one.
Watch, it's big. Okay. There you go.
Play it. Look at me, Jaden. Play it. Good job. Hit it again.
Woo! Santa.
Say that.